Another large class of machine learning use cases are related to understanding unstructured data. Unstructured data is data that can't be easily compared. For example, some characteristics of books are structured, like their metadata. We can say that two books have the same publisher, were published near each other or one before the other. These characteristics are structured because we can make these easy comparisons. But the content of books is not so easily comparable. It's hard to precisely talk about how the contents of books are related, and even human experts might not agree on exactly how similar two books are. Language is just one example of unstructured data. Other examples include pictures, videos, sounds, etc. All of these are examples of data that you cannot easily hold in a relational database. Bloomberg aggregates financial news, data, and analytics worldwide, but disseminating that data across all languages proved to be a challenge. Google Translate allowed Bloomberg to bring all that data to their customers, regardless of language. This table shows a subset of the language pairs available in the translation API. There are 97 pairs in all. This is a very common use case. Do you have customers all over the world? Do you have dynamic content like product reviews? Then use automatic translation to serve them. Are you a marketplace with buyers and sellers who don't speak a common language? Use a translation service to connect them seamlessly. Another example of unstructured data. Let's take Kewpie. Kewpie manufactures baby food. In this case, quality is not necessarily a matter of life or death because the food itself is safe, but discoloration of food turns out can concern parents. So Kewpie turned to Google and our partner BrainPad to build a solution leveraging image recognition to detect low-quality potato cubes. The machine learning algorithm enabled them to free people from the tiring work of inspection and focus on other more important work. Milestone Systems has 20 years of experience building on-premises video monitoring and video management solutions. In 2017, it created a company called Arculus to mine data that was compiled from video cameras and IoT devices for their clients who wanted insights to improve safety, operational efficiency, and top-line growth. Note that the video monitoring systems already existed, but the videos were used only for surveillance purposes. Now, with the ability of machine learning to understand unstructured data, much better insights are possible. So this is an example of an older company creating a brand new business based on the capabilities of machine learning. For example, for retailers, Arculus's platform enables insights for things like the retail footpath, sentiment, dwell time, analysis like that. They can use the video cameras and IoT devices to correlate data on shopper behaviors in the store. For example, a motion sensor by a retail store's featured promotional display can help detect activity and be indexed against video data of a shopper's path through the store. The machine learning model can categorize the actions a shopper takes after viewing the featured display, triggering notifications and insights. Did they pick up the item? What was their sentiment? Did they consult their phone? What other items did they pick up? Did they make a purchase? With analysis of this type of information, the store can make adjustments to influence shopper behavior. Now, realize that online retailers already have all this information. They know which pages you browse, which products you look at, whether you add them to the cart, what you look at next, etc. So systems like the one that Arculus builds enables brick-and-mortar retailers to get the insights that online retailers already have.